Puri Jagannath Temple is a treasure trove of fascinating facts that captivate the imagination. Let's dive right into some of the most intriguing aspects of this iconic temple. First, let's talk about the flag that flies atop the temple. It's not just any flag. It's known as the Dharma Vaja. What's remarkable is that this flag always flutters in the opposite direction of the wind. It's a phenomenon that has puzzled many, and it's believed to symbolize the divine presence of Lord Jagannath. Now, if you've ever visited the temple, you might have noticed the wooden idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra. These idols are unique not only in their appearance but also in their composition. They are made from a special type of wood called daru, which is believed to be sacred. Interestingly, these idols are not carved in the traditional sense. Instead, they are crafted in a way that they don't have any facial features, which allows devotees to project their own emotions onto them. Another captivating fact is that the temple does not cast a shadow at noon. This phenomenon has led to various theories, but the most popular belief is that it's a divine miracle. Imagine a structure so grand that it defies the laws of nature. Now, let's talk about the famous Abadha Mahaprasadam. This is the food offered to the deities and then distributed to the devotees. What's truly special about it is that it's prepared in a specific manner, using traditional recipes and methods that have been passed down through generations. The kitchen of the temple is one of the largest in the world, and it can serve thousands of people daily. The taste is said to be divine, and many believe that partaking in this prasadam brings blessings. Speaking of blessings, there's a unique aspect of the temple related to the sound of the waves. The temple is located right by the sea, and it's said that the sound of the ocean waves merges with the temple's chants, creating a divine symphony. This harmonious blend enhances the spiritual experience for all who visit. One of the most intriguing aspects of Puri Jagannath Temple is that nothing can fly above it. Birds, planes, and even kites seem to avoid the area directly above the temple. This has led to various interpretations, with many believing it to be a mark of respect for the divine. The temple's chakra, or wheel, also has its own story. It's positioned at the top of the temple and is said to be a symbol of the eternal cycle of life and death. The chakra faces east, and it's believed that it keeps watch over the temple and its devotees, guiding them on their spiritual journey. Now, let's touch on the mystery of the Prasadam. The preparation of Mahaprasadam is shrouded in secrecy, and only a select few are allowed to enter the kitchen. The ingredients are sourced from specific locations, and the cooking is done in a manner that is believed to enhance the spiritual essence of the food. Many devotees claim that the prasadam has healing properties, making it even more revered. Lastly, there's the phenomenon of the reverse sea breeze. While coastal areas typically experience a sea breeze that blows inland, here, the breeze often blows from the land towards the sea. This unusual occurrence adds another layer of mystery to the temple and its surroundings. Puri Jagannath Temple is not just a place of worship. It's a realm filled with wonders that continue to inspire awe and reverence. If you find these facts as fascinating as I do, share this knowledge with others and encourage them to explore the wonders of this sacred site.